While in Paris to watch their dad, LeBron James, compete in the 2024 Summer Olympics, Bronny and Bryce James were spotted with their rumored girlfriends. So, who are these ladies? The two James brothers sat with their female companions to watch their dad and Team USA play in the semifinals on August 8, 2024. A couple of days later, both Bronny and Bryce were filmed holding hands with their supposed love interests after they all watched LeBron lead Team USA to a gold medal. Sadie Johnson, the teenager romantically linked to Bryce, had posted a TikTok of herself wearing a Team USA jersey that same day. Not a ton of information has been made public about Johnson, but she has a popular TikTok account where she has posted clips with Bryce on occasion. The first upload featuring the younger James brother came on August 7th, while Johnson was in Paris to take in the Olympics. She posted a clip of herself and Bryce cozying up at Disneyland Paris, and Johnson was not shy about showing affection towards the high school basketball star. The following month, Johnson posted a TikTok of her and Bryce where he held her hand as she spun around to show off her outfit. Bryce is not the only member of the James family with whom Johnson has spent time. She also appears to be tight with LeBron's daughter Zuri James. During the Olympics, Johnson posted 2 separate TikToks of her and Zuri performing synchronized dances. Even though Bryce has not made their relationship official, going to Paris with the James clan and buddying up with his little sister speaks volumes. Meanwhile, we have more details to dish about Bronny's rumored girlfriend, Parker Whitfield.
That'd be great.
Whitfield went to Sierra Canyon High School along with LeBron James's oldest son. That means she witnessed firsthand the transformation of Bronny from a high school phenom to a member of the Los Angeles Lakers. Even before being romantically linked to Bronny, she had a Lakers connection, as her mother, Sally Richardson Whitfield, was a director and producer on HBO's Winning Time, The Rise of the Lakers Dynasty. Fans may also recognize Sally for her acting roles in films such as I Am Legend. Parker's father, Dondre Whitfield, meanwhile, is also an actor who is perhaps best known for appearing in over 250 episodes of All My Children in the 90s and on the Oprah Winfrey Network's Queen Sugar.
And whatever's happening or not happening between me and your sister, that's not going to change the love I got for your daddy, for your family, and that land.
Through the years, the Whitfields have brought their daughter to various events, including awards shows and movie premieres, where the family posed together on the red carpet. All that time together seems to have made Parker close with her family, especially her mother. In September, Sally gushed over Parker on her birthday, posting, "Parker, to say that I'm proud of you doesn't explain how much I respect the person that you are growing up to be." Parker's mom is not alone in posting touching captions about her. When Parker was finishing up at Sierra Canyon, she was admitted to Spelman College in Atlanta. Dondre took to Instagram in January 2023 to make the announcement and included a family photo of Parker wearing a Spelman sweater while he rocked a Spelman dad shirt and Sally sported a Spelman mom shirt. Later that year, when Parker took off to college, Sally marked the occasion with a heartfelt Instagram post that included a family selfie on their way to drop Parker off. She wrote, "Time has gone by way too fast. I know she's ready, but I'm going to miss my baby.